Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. Now, if you've been following the channel for the past couple of videos, you'll notice that a brand new reclusive pearl, copper ghost pearl, has kind of poked its way in from time to time. We did use it when you guys picked it for the live stream, but it got swallowed up and you could barely see it. And then we almost used it when you guys picked Desert Tan to use as a base, but you couldn't really see it over the Desert Tan. And I've been promising you guys, everybody who's been asking about Copper Ghost, we are going to figure this out. So let me show you what I've got over here. I've got a whole bunch of big speed shapes that Gabe sprayed out for us. And over here we've got shadow gray, koi orange, blurple, red, fresh mint, hunter green, and black to use as a control. So out of all of these, Copper Ghost is going to go on all of them. And we are going to find a home for Copper Ghost today. Enjoy the video. So right here we have 15 grams of Copper Ghost Pearl. Let me show you what it looks like. It's like, I don't know, like a, oh! Now we have about 14 grams of Copper Ghost Pearl. I don't think that's going to make all that much of a difference. It's all part of the science. Anyway, what I was trying to show you is it looks kind of like a very dense wheat flour. All these ghost pearls from Did Spade are super dense, super saturated. They're awesome looking. So we're going to start with 1 gallon of glossy top coat. And then 14-ish grams of Copper Ghost. Now, this is going to give us about the usual load that we would use for an interference pearl, right? We normally go for like 12.5 grams, which is easy for us because it's 25 grams per gallon. We put a 25-gram bag in and then cut it into 2 gallons. So 15 grams is a little on the heavy side, but it should be just fine, especially for the experimentation. And you can tell again how much this pearl clumps up. The super fine pearls tend to clump a lot, where the larger particle pearls just mix kind of like a flaky fish food. Now this is a weird color pearl. We've never actually seen this over like a contrasting or dark base. We've only seen it in a couple of experiments where it just gets completely swallowed and it disappears. So it's kind of milky, kind of dark. Let me try and show it to you over a black mixing stick. See if we get any color here at all. It's almost like, I don't know, dude. It's almost like a coppery, dare I say, like a rose goldish? We don't like to say rose gold because it's so hard to get a true rose gold. If you claim you have one and you don't, you're in big trouble. So I have no idea what this is going to look like. We're going to spray it over a whole bunch of base coats and see what happens. Let's go. All right, guys, the experiment is complete. And like usual when we do stuff like this, some of the results on some colors are kind of lackluster, and some are pretty freaking wild. You know what to do here. After this, I'm going to show you each one in detail. I want you to look at them, digest them, and then in the comment section below, there's going to be a thread where you can vote. Tell me what color you want to see us do Copper Ghost full scale. I have my own favorite. I'm interested to see if mine lines up with yours. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to dip your own car, click right up here. We have a ton of kits to choose from, everything to dip your wheels, your emblems, and your full car. And you may have noticed today, we use the new G4 sprayer system from DipYourCar. That is out now as well. All future videos when we're dipping cars, we're going to be using the brand new, massively improved G4 sprayer. Again, thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you guys on the next video.